How to turn off or on the heart rate monitor on your Garmin Forerunner 265. Welcome to another Forerunner 265 tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the heart rate monitor on your Garmin Forerunner 265. So there's a couple different reasons you might want to turn it off. Maybe you're not using it and you want to save some battery life, or you're seeing the light at night and that's a little bright for you, or maybe your heart rate monitor was turned off accidentally and you want to turn it on. So to quickly turn on or off the heart rate monitor on the Forerunner 265, all we need to do is open the menu, and we can do that by holding the up button just for a second or two. Once in the menu, hit the up button and keep going up until you see health and wellness. Select health or wellness. Now that we're in health and wellness, select wrist heart rate. And currently I have my wrist heart rate turned on. I can simply turn it off by selecting status. And as you can see, it gives me some warnings that a lot of different features on the watch will not work because the heart rate monitor has been turned off. So just select start or stop again to confirm. And then now I have turned off the wrist heart rate on my Forerunner 265. If you go into this setting and you see off, to turn it on, all you need to do is select it. And then once you turn it on, you'll have several different options. First, you can have it work while you're doing swimming activities. Additionally, you can turn on abnormal heart rate alerts. If you go in there, you can set up high alerts and low alerts, and you configure them further so you can select the threshold where it will give you a heart rate alert if you hit that threshold while you're resting. After abnormal heart rate alerts, we can do broadcast heart rate. All right, so that's how you turn on or off wrist heart rate on your Garmin Forerunner 265. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel, Smartwatch Tutorials, because that really helps me out. Thank you so much for watching.